That's right. I was able to do highlights in my daughter's hair and I used no lightener or bleach whatsoever. And I'm going to show you how I did. The technique I use is called a high lift. And for this, you're going to need the color you want, a 40 volume developer, and a swatch book to determine what level hair you are at. Here's the first rule of this. It has to be done on virgin hair. If the hair has been previously colored, this will not work. Number 2, it has to be virgin hair. If the hair has been previously colored, it will not work at all. 3, you can only obtain 4 levels of lift. That means you can only go 4 levels up. So on a scale, hair goes from 1 to 10, 1 being the darkest and 10 being the lightest. So if a person is at a level 1, the highest that I can lift that person is to a 5. So 1 being the darkest, the highest I can lift them to is a 5. Now I can have like a red 5, but the highest I can get to is a 5. If a person's at a 5, I can get them to a level 9. So if a person's at a level 1, I can put a 4R in there, which is a 4 red, and give them a reddish tone. If a person's at level 2, I can use a 6RG. Remember, you can only go up 4 levels and you need a 40 volume developer. So what you're going to do is you're going to determine the level that you're at and what level you want to go. Mix the colors with a 40 volume developer for the manufacturer's instructions, and you can either 1, put it in foils and create highlights, or 2, put it all over the head and create one beautiful color. Now hit that follow button